Guys, welcome to this channel. This video I will show you how to create strike-through format text on Gmail mobile. So as you can see, I already have this text that's strike-through formatted. Unfortunately, it doesn't came from the format from the Gmail by default. For example, I want to create, I will type in example, and then if I press and hold and then click select and then click format, and then there is no option of strike through. As you can see here, there is no option of strike through. So I will reset first, and then how to doing the strike through, you just press and hold your text and then copy, and then go find your Google Docs and then create a new document, for example, and then you paste your text on the Google Docs and then press and hold, and then you click this format on the upper here, and then you can see this is the strike through format on the bottom. After you have your text already struck through, you just copy the text and then go back to your Gmail and then paste it on your body of paragraph of email. Okay, that's it. This really hassle tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If you should, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.